With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, the question is, if x to the power 4 3 cos ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 2 into x square minus 2 has two solutions with abc belongs to 2 to 5, then the value of a square by b square cannot be. Options we can see 4, 2, 1 and 3. So from here we can write this. This is given for x to the power 4. Given that x to the power 4 plus 3 cos ax square plus bx and plus c is equal to 2 into x square minus 2. So we can write, if you transpose this right side, so we'll get minus x4 plus 2 into x square minus 2, and this is equal to 3 cos ax square plus bx and plus c. Now after differentiating this LHS side, so this is equal to minus 4x cubed and plus 4x is equal to 0. Now from here we can find the x value, and that x is equal to plus minus 1. If we put x equal to 1, then fx maximum value we can see. Fx maximum value is equal to, we can see that is equal to minus 3. Now from right hand side it is given that this is 3 cos ax square plus bx and plus c. This value belongs to 3 and minus 3, because we know that 3 cos x and this 3 cos x means cos x, the cos has the maximum and minimum value, that is minus 1 and plus 1. So we can write this. From here we can see that common value of the, from first and second we can write, this is the first and this is what second. So from first and second we can write common value, that is equal to minus 3. So fx is equal to minus 3 common value. Clear? Now fx equal to minus 3, it means we can write this is equal to 3 into cos ax square plus bx and plus c is equal to minus 3. From here we can write cos ax square plus bx and plus c is equal to minus 1. Now we have a two value of x, that is 1 and minus 1. Clear? So if x equal to minus 1, x equal to 1, then we can write if x equal to 1. So we can see that ax square means a plus b and plus c is equal to, we can write a plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi. How 3 pi? Because this is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi. Okay? If n equal to 1, for this value, n equal to 1, a plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi. If you put n equal to minus 1, if n is equal to minus 1, then you will get a minus b and plus c, and that is equal to, we will get pi. Clear? From here we can write that, and also it is given that a b c belongs to 2 to 5. So a plus b and plus c belongs to 6 to 15. Clear? From here you can write, and a minus b and plus c belongs to -1 and 8. So from these two equations, we can see that a plus b plus c is equal to this, and a minus b and plus c equal to 5. So from here we can write b is equal to 5 and a plus c is equal to 5. And we also know that from arithmetic mean, am is the greater than the gm, means arithmetic mean is always greater than equal to the geometric mean. Clear? Now on AC, we can write a plus c and divide by 2 greater than equal to root under AC. This implies that pi is greater than equal to root AC. Clear? Now b square is a greater than equal to AC, we can write. From here we can write b square and divided by AC greater than equal to 1. This implies that AC and divided by b square less than equal to 1. Clear? So in this way we can decide which value is possible and which value is not possible. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.